fact, we are. Shalom to you too.
Here's our traditional Jewish greeting for you.
Don't lift a finger.
That was a warning. Try it again and see what happens.
Quiet, Big James.
Shalom to you too. You filthy dogs! I said quiet. Let us do something.
What would that achieve?
Defending your honor. They reviled and humiliated you. They deserve to have bolts of lightning rain down and incinerate them! Yes! Fire from the heavens!
Fire.
You said we could do things like that. Say the word, and it will happen.
Why not? We knew we couldn't trust these people. We shouldn't have come here in the first place. They don't deserve you.
These people that you hate so much are believing in me without even seeing miracles. It's the message, the truth that we're giving them. And you're going to get in the way of that because a few people from a region you don't like were mean to you. That they're not worthy? What, you're so much better? You're more worthy? Well, let me tell you something. You're not. That's the whole point. You wanted to use the power of God to bring down fire to burn these people up.
But it sounds a lot worse when you say it that way.
For the Lord has chosen me to build a house for the sanctuary.
He said, take heed now, for the Lord...
No, I know. He's speaking in English.
You are false prophets, claiming to know the secrets to God's kingdom.
For God will bring every deed into judgment, Ben Judah, including every hidden thing, whether it is good or evil. I, the Lord, search the heart. I test the mind, and I will give every man according to his ways and according to the things he has done.
I have kept the commandments since my youth.
By the deeds of the law, no flesh shall be justified in his sight. For by grace you are saved, through faith. And this is not for yourselves. It is the gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast.
Got it. I don't understand.
We are ambassadors, as though God were making his appeal through us.
This is GNN. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by.
Be reconciled to God. God made him who had no sin to be sin for us, so that in him we might become the righteousness of God.
For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him will not perish, but have everlasting life. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but to save the world through him. He who believes in the Son is not condemned, but he who does not believe is condemned already because he has not believed in the name of the only begotten Son of God.
In the name of the Son of God.
He is the Christ, Jesus.
Before I was born from the womb, you knew my destiny, shaped from a legacy, guided into a whole